that way. Now it's slow.
We must mainstream the football agenda into the national agenda. Unless we do that, then it will be very difficult to catch up with the rest of the world. So I think I will call upon all leaders at the grassroots level, the schools as well, to deliberately invest and look for partnerships such as this one, so that we can have that skill transfer being done seamlessly and successfully so.
The level of technical skill has been very good. Their comfort in connection to the ball has been excellent. So you can see that they enjoy the soccer ball. Now we will get to see how we can now apply that to the big game, starting to fill out what it'll look like when it gets to 11v11.
The coaches who are going to attend this 4-day coaching clinic are going to get a national diploma, which will entail them to understand the basics of working with small children, youth children and senior teams.